Hello, Bruce here with Wildtronics. This is a video instruction on how to install a dampening ring onto your Wildtronics Parabolic dish. This is a featherlight dish, and that's where you might want to use a dampening ring. The standard dish is thicker; it doesn't really do it. Here's what it generally does. If you accidentally hit this or bugs hit it while you're trying to record, it can have a tinny kind of a sound. I don't know if you can hear that. It has a ringing sound, so that's why we call it the dampening ring. It's basically a rubber ring here, and it's pretty easy to install. There is a glued union piece right here. You can find it, and try to be a little delicate with that. I mean, it's on there really good. It's glued with really incredible glue, but it's not meant to be like stretched or something like that, like a rubber band. So just bear that in mind, or it might fall off at some point. So to install it, it's relatively easy. It's a little bit time consuming, but it can be done. Is you take the end and the opened end of the rubber dampening ring, and you just kind of start at one end here. And I'm starting here where the rubber union of the pieces are together. And you just kind of work it around the edge. It starts easy. Work it around the edge, placing it on the outside rim of the dish. No gluing is necessary. It retains itself. It's designed to fit so that it stretches on a little bit, and that's what keeps it on. And you just keep going around, and as you'll notice, it kind of here. It has to be pulled on a little bit like a rubber band, and this is where it gets a little more difficult because there's tension on it to be able to get it on there. Okay, and then just go around. See that it's around the whole thing, and it's installed. The dampening ring is installed, and now you can see there's basically no dampening, no tinging or binging on here, and it's just kind of a dead thud kind of a sound. Makes a big difference from the featherlight dish. That's probably where we primarily recommend it. Again, if you put this dampening ring on a standard dish, really doesn't make much of a difference. The standard dish is thicker, needs a much heavier dampening ring, and if you had to put one of those on, you probably wouldn't even want to use it. But it works really good with the featherlight, helps dampen the sounds quite a bit. Here's the difference again. I'll bring another dish here. Hold on. Another dish. And I'll try to tell you the difference here. I'll hold it up to the mic because I don't know how well it's going to pick it up, but I'm just going to tap it. And this is without the mic installed, so it's a little more dampened when the mic unit is installed. And it can get annoying if you got rain or something like that, and you can hear this one. It makes a huge difference. So if you think you need that, you don't have to use them at all. Basically, I've been recording for many years and I've never actually used it. But I know a lot of people like using it because they don't want to be bothered by little insect dings and things like that. So that's how to install the dampening ring, and how you remove it. You probably don't want to roll this one up with the dampening ring on. We probably don't really recommend it, although you could. The only thing that you might do is the rubber may tend to make a little like smudge marks on the dish when it hits the edge here, and so you might want to just take the ring off if you want to roll it up. But you can, if you don't mind small smudges that can be cleaned off. Now that's how you install it. And to uninstall it, I would take the union piece and just pull it off here, and it comes off that easy. And that's it. Easy as pie.